Look at student, last day we have discussed about the chain rule. Today we'll discuss multiplication or product rule of differentiation. What is the multiplication or product rule? Multiplication or product rule is y equals to u into v. Suppose these two functions are multiplied, then dy by dx, which is also written as y dash. Okay, first differentiation is written as y dash equals to d of u into v by dx. Then how to do? First these two functions, first u is constant, u will leave it, we do the differentiation of dv by dx, plus then v we leave it and we do the differentiation of du by dx. It means first function we leave, second function differentiation, then plus second function we leave and first function differentiation. Okay, so look at this question that y equals to cos x q into sin square x to the power 5. Here this is u and this one is v. So how to do this one? First we will write down dy by dx equals to d of cos x q into sin square x to the power 5 divided by dx. Then how to start? This is the first function cos qx. So cos qx, cos xq is constant. Then differentiation of sin square x to the power 5 by dx over, then plus. Now the second function is what? The second function is sin square x to the power 5 into d of cos xq divided by d of x. Then look at carefully, this is constant, so we'll leave it. Cos xq will not do anything with this cos xq. Look at this function carefully. So a sin square x to the power 5. Okay, so first of all here we have sin square. Sin square means we'll use the chain rule. So then first of all d of sin square x to the power 5 divided by what will do? D of sin x to the power 5, because we have sin square. So sin square, when sin square is present, we will do the differentiation with respect to sin, because we need first this sin x to the power 5, then d of sin x to the power 5. Then look at what is the angle here, x to the power 5, so that we will do the differentiation with respect to x to the power 5, and then next d of x to the power 5 divided by d of x. This part is completed. Then plus sin square x to the power 5, it's the constant term. Okay, now cos xq by dx. So cos xq by dx, how to do? So d of, first we write down cos xq divided by, what is the angle here? The angle is xq. Then we will divide it with respect to d of xq. Then d of xq divided with d of x. Okay, so then write the solution here. Cos xq, then sin square x to the power 5 divided by d of sin x to the power 5. So this is in the form of, we can take, this is in the form of, if we will take sin x to the power as x, this is in the form of d of x square by dx. Okay, so then what is the differentiation of this? 2 into x to the power, it is 2 minus 1, which is 2 into x to the power 1. This is the format. Then you write down, so 2 into, in place of x, what we put in place of x? We put here sin x to the power 5 to the power 1, so no need to write 2 sin x to the power 5. Look at this one, sin x by dx. Sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. So cos x to the power 5. Then this one, x to the power 5, we know the formula. X to the power 5 formula is what? X to the power 5 d of by dx equals to 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1. So it is 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1, which is 4. Then plus, look at this one, sin square x to the power 5. Then d of cos xq by dxq. The angle is xq and we do the differentiation of cos. So cos differentiation is what? Minus sin xq. Then this is again xq. Use the formula n x to the power n minus 1. So n is 3. then x to the power 3 minus 1. Then solve it. So 2 into 5, 10, x to the power 4, then cos x cube, then sin x to the power 5, then cos x to the power 5. Write all this remaining term plus, look at here, one minus is present, so plus minus minus, one constant term is present 3, then x to the power 3 minus 1, which is 2 into sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube, write down sin x cube. Okay, so basically you need to do this one, first function constant, second function differentiation, then plus second function constant, first function differentiation.